Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete emails stuck in Outbox in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so you can access everything properly. Now, once your emails have fully loaded, direct your attention to the inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your email folders are located. From here, you'll need to locate the Outbox folder and click on it to open it. This folder contains all the emails that are currently stuck and haven't been sent yet. When you open the Outbox folder, you'll see all the stuck emails stored inside. These emails can get stuck for several reasons. It might be due to an interrupted internet connection while the email was being sent, or perhaps you scheduled an email for later and it's waiting to be sent at the specified time. Sometimes emails bounce back if there's an issue with the recipient's address or if the attachment is too large. Whatever the reason, they end up sitting in your Outbox until you take action. To delete these stuck emails from your Outbox, simply right-click on any email that you wish to remove. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From the options that appear, locate and click on Delete. Once you click this option, the stuck email will be removed from your Outbox immediately. You can repeat this process for any other emails in your Outbox that you want to delete. This clears out the clutter and ensures your Outbox doesn't have any pending emails that won't be sent. And that's it, you've successfully cleared out those stuck emails from your Outbox in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.